Meaning of gondolier.
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 Gondolier. A gondolier is a person who propels and steers a gondola, a narrow, flat-bottomed Venetian rowing boat. The word gondolier comes from the Italian word gondolier, which means someone who rows a gondola. Traditionally, gondoliers are male and come from a long line of gondolier families in Venice. They wear distinctive striped shirts and often sing traditional songs while navigating through the city's canals. Gondoliers are an important symbol of Venetian culture and tourism, attracting millions of visitors each year who enjoy touring the city by gondola.